Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Randy Saves, and today I'm going to show you another video that is part of the series From Couponing to the Table. So for a few weeks, months ago, we had promotions on Corn Pops. Different stores had cashbacks on Ibotta, and for me specifically, I went to Publix and I got these for free after cashback and coupons. So if you don't have a Publix, I'm pretty sure that any grocery store that you go to will probably have these on promotion. So Corn Pops, I normally do not eat cereal. If I eat cereal, it's normally like the Special K, you know, the other type of cereals. But since these were free, I got them, and I was trying to find a recipe and I found Corn Pop treats. So all you need is the Corn Pops, you need a 10-ounce bag of large marshmallow, and 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So that's all you need. Of course, you need parchment paper and a cookie pan, or just a pan to line it. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. Like I mentioned at the beginning of these series, is that I try to find recipes that are super easy, since I do not like to cook or spend a lot of time cooking. So I thought this was really cool, especially now that the kids are probably going on spring break, I believe next week. So something to have them snack on. So let's go ahead and get started.
First we go ahead and melt the butter in a large pan. It called for 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter. So we're just going to go ahead and wait till it melts all the way. So now that the butter is melted, we're going to go ahead and put in our 10-ounce bag of marshmallow. First, I'm going to go ahead and reduce the heat a little. So we're just going to go ahead and throw the marshmallow in there. And we just go ahead and just mix it occasionally, because we want to make sure that it doesn't burn. So we just want it to melt with the butter. So it's melting slowly but surely. So now that it's pretty melted, I'm going to go ahead and put in Corn Pops. It asks for 7 cups, but you can always put in more if you feel like that's not enough Corn Pops. So after it's there, you just go ahead and mix it all together. So I don't feel like I need to put any more cereal, and it's all mixed in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in the parchment paper, the pan that is lined with the parchment paper. So now I already put it in the lined parchment paper. So we just wait a couple of hours, about 2 hours, so it can harden. Normally, after 2 hours you can eat it, but normally these kind of treats taste better like way after. But I will go ahead and come back in a couple of hours to see how it looks. So yeah, pretty easy treat.
So this is how it looks after a couple of hours. So I'm just going to grab a knife and just cut a little piece. You can just cut them in layers, but I'm just going to cut a little piece just for me and try it out here. I've never tried this recipe before, so obviously I don't know how it tastes, but I mean marshmallow and Corn Pops. So here it is, and it's very delicious. So the only thing that I do recommend is, like I said, wait longer. I'm pretty sure this will taste even better, you know, in the afternoon. So that's it, guys. This was a very easy recipe, Corn Pop cereal treats. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.